In this video, we will show you how to send USDT from Coinbase to MEXC. First, you have to download the MEXC app on your mobile using Google Play Store or Apple Store. After downloading the MEXC app, open the app. Make sure to log into your account first on the app. If you don't have an account, then create it. Go to Assets from the bottom menu bar. You will see your balance and the option to buy or receive the coins. Go to Explore from the bottom menu bar. Search USDT on the search bar and enter. Select Tether and you can see the price of Tether in Pakistan. Scroll down and tap on the plus icon, which is used to buy the coin. You can tap on Transfer from Coinbase to transfer the coin. Go to Settings from the bottom menu bar. Look for the option Connect with Coinbase and tap it. Tap on Buy or Transfer with Coinbase, and then you have to sign into your Coinbase account. If you have already an account, then add your Gmail and sign in. Otherwise, you have to create a Coinbase account. You can sign up using Google accounts. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe.